Hello everyone. I am Arnab Guha from Impeccable Innovations Private Limited. It's a agri-food startup from Bangalore, India. Today, in our Five Pointers Digital Science Network and News channel, we are presenting a very important topic, which is on public speaking for entrepreneur. And to talk about more on this topic, today we have Mr. Ravi Aditya, and let me give you a little bit background about him. Ravi is a young biotechnologist who is currently working with the industrial biotech firm in Bangalore. He hails from Udaipur city in Rajasthan, where he has also finished his schooling and his graduation. He holds a biotech BTech degree from the College of Dairy and Food Science Technology in a premier Dairy and Food Science Institute in Western India, which falls under the Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology. From school, he has been quite active in technical presentation and represented Rajasthan at National Children Science Congress in 2008. He also won the award for the best technical presentation in his college. For past 3 years, he is associated with Toastmaster International, a world leader organization in public speaking and leadership, and also heading a corporate Toastmaster club. So let me welcome Ravi again. And you know why this topic is very important and why we are covering it in a science channel like us, which is a digital knowledge capture platform, is because the scientists and the researchers who are working in 5 different domains, namely agriculture, food, biotech, healthcare, and sustainability, all of them are very technical, very scientific in their approach. Their education has been in the science field, but sometimes the public speaking and the management skills are not at par with other B school college people. So we found that a very important aspect today for a scientist is also to speak very nicely in front of crowd. And that's why public speaking skill without any hesitation or any other thing, it's very important in today's day and age, and where you have to be a 360-degree professional, not just only scientific and technical professional. You should be able to sell your services and product to your consumer, to your viewer. And that's why I think Ravi's hands-on expertise in public speaking and how he has improved his public speaking over the years, and his association with Toastmaster and his various utilization of that skill in his day-to-day job world, how it has helped. So the podium is all yours, Ravi. Please slightly introduce if I missed something, and then we can go directly to those slides, please. Thank you, Ravi.
Thank you, Arnab. First of all, thanks for inviting me and giving me this platform where I could share my experience and what I have learned through all these 3 years in my public speaking journey. So first, thank you, a big thank you to you. I guess you have covered up most of my introduction, so there's nothing much to add on to that. So maybe if it's okay, then let's start.
Yes, we can start.
Perfect. So then let me share my screen. So is it visible to you, Arnab?
Yes, it is visible. Not a problem.
Great. So yes, thank you, Arnab, for the podium, and thank you all of you, the viewers of Five Pointers channel, to join us today in our small discussion on public speaking and how it is an essential skill for entrepreneurs of our generation. So in this short discussion that we will have, a short presentation that I have prepared for you, there are a few points that I'll be covering one by one. So let me just explain the agenda to you. first, we will see what public speaking is and how it is the biggest fear in everybody's mind. Why it is an essential skill for entrepreneurs, and how to become a better public speaker. We'll have some pointers. I have some experience that I'll be sharing with you today. And finally, if you have any questions, then we can discuss on that. So good to go?
Yeah.
Okay. So as Arnab has given most of our introduction, but give me just a couple of minutes to brief a little more about myself. I am from Udaipur, which is a city in Rajasthan state. I have done my bachelor's degree in biotechnology from Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology. And currently I'm working with an industrial biotechnology research. I started quite early in science. I knew about my inclination into science quite early in my schooling education. And since then, I have been involved in many of the scientific presentations, scientific activities that you usually have in school, model making, science projects. And that's how I got into this domain, where I realized that public speaking is very, very important. As Arnab mentioned in the very beginning, that sometimes that soft skill part we lack, even though we are pretty good in technical aspect. So that's how I started my journey into public speaking. In my current corporate stint, I became part of Toastmaster International, which is a training provider for leadership as well as public speaking, and it's a worldwide organization. And in my last 3 years, I have won, and I have been part of many competitions, and I've also won competitions at area level in Toastmaster structure, where there is humorous speech and international speech competition, table topics, which is impromptu speech. So as you can see how I started from a small college in a town and grew myself, not just technically, but I had to take that extra step to improve my soft skill part. And that is a journey that I'll be sharing with you guys today.
Just to tell you, all of you, that me and Ravi has worked together in Novozymes earlier, and we were colleagues together. And it's so nice, Ravi, to see you growing, especially not just in your technical and your corporate career. It's also something which you are developing yourself from the personality angle, from the intellectual, how you are perceiving the world and how you're trying to inspire others. Just to tell you, our viewers, the competition that he has won, it's not that easy. It's not that easy to win such type of competition, which we are not trained enough from our childhood days. It's something where it will, let's say, if you have a scientific acumen in yourself, and then if you have this type of soft skill of a confidence and talking to the media, camera, or in front of so many people over a stage, it will really outshine you against all the crowd. Because today, what is very important, that we as a technologist and a technocrat, we stand out of the crowd. Otherwise, there are too many Me Too type of talent, too many Me Too type of education that is there. And there we have to make our mark. And we have to also pull together others who, let's say, they are less fortunate than us. And how we uplift others and be empathetic towards others is also very important soft skill for a scientist to really have. Yes, Ravi, please continue with your next slide.
Yeah, thanks, Arnab. I completely agree with what you pointed out, that even though we are technical people and we deal with numbers, we deal with science, but soft skill is a very important part in any field, wherever you go. So public speaking is an essential skill.
Yeah.
So let's dive into